Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TikTok Shop Seller Center in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the TikTok Shop Seller Center app in the US, open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you have an Android device, access the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TikTok Shop Seller Center and press enter. Look for the official app in the search results. On the App Store, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the TikTok Shop Seller Center icon to open it. You may need to sign in with your TikTok account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app interface. Explore the features and settings available in the Seller Center. You are now ready to start managing your TikTok shop effectively. Follow any additional prompts provided within the app for a smoother experience. That concludes the steps for downloading TikTok Shop Seller Center in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.